can begin treatment in this The best day was meeting the person that would save my life. We even guarantee your recovery, where you can return for complimentary 30 days of treatment. Hope is here. Call now for a free mental assessment. We'll also verify your insurance at no charge. Call 888-886-9872.
They called and got a free catheter sample pack of the new virtually painless catheter from Medical Direct Club. Call now and you can get your free catheter sample pack. These new catheters hurt less. You've never used catheters like this before. You'll receive the discreet pocket catheter. At home, just slip it in your pocket and go. The self-lubricating catheter. It lubricates right in the package. Less pain and no mess. Some patients say it doesn't hurt. And the new polished island catheter with virtually pain-free technology. It may reduce pain and the chance of urinary tract infections. For women, you'll receive the SpeediCath compact catheter, about the size of lipstick. It fits right in your purse. Call 800-203-6708 now for your free catheter sample pack and free shipping.